Hello guys, I'm Sam and welcome to the first in a series of videos on how I do up this property. To give you guys a bit of background on this project, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself and about this property. I am a software developer, I'm not a contractor, I'm not a builder, I'm not a tradesman, so I've done a bit of DIY in the past, but this is going to be very new for me and I'm going to learn a lot through this process. The property is a 3-bed and bit of an end terrace, but it's technically classed as a semi-detached. It has an outside garden and it was built in 1977. I managed to haggle the price down from 130,000 down to 112,000. So let's go inside and have a look around. As you can see from the outside, it's not particularly in great condition. The outside of the house is covered in some sort of old-fashioned render, which I'm going to need to redo. As we approach the front door, we come through and we've got a nice little front garden. It needs a little bit of work, but it's going to be really nice when it's done. And to the side, we see a nice grassy area, which I'll cover later. Coming up to the front door, get the keys out. And as we go inside, got the stairs in front of us and the living room to the left. We can go up the stairs, lovely old-fashioned chipboard wallpaper, and to our first landing. This landing has all the rooms coming off it from upstairs. Start with the bathroom. This bathroom actually isn't in too bad of a condition. It's a bit old-fashioned, but everything seems to work, and I'm going to leave it as it is for now. Moving on into the first bedroom. This is a good sized double bedroom and it looks out through some nice windows onto the back garden. A couple of things to note, it's got really big storage in there, and like all the rooms upstairs, it's got this lovely squishy styrofoam roofing. Moving on into the next room, we've got the master bedroom. This is a very large bedroom and it looks like when they were trying to refurbish it, they managed to do the plaster work on the window wall, but never quite got around to painting it. It's got an old heater in the bottom corner, which I'm definitely going to be getting rid of. And the last room is the third bedroom. This is a small room, and it has a very strange feature. This is the top of the stairs. It's put in there to give you a bigger room, but what I'm going to do is convert this room into an office. Now we're back at the bottom of the stairs, we can go into our living room. So this living room is a really good size. It's got a nice chimney breast and we're going to be putting in a log burner there and getting rid of this old gas heater. It's also got really big windows which let in a lot of light. The main problem with this room is the wallpaper. I'm going to be stripping the whole of this house of all of its wallpaper and completely redecorating. The next room we go into is the kitchen. So this kitchen is a really good size. It's a lot of kitchen for the money. I'm going to be completely stripping this and putting in a new kitchen, so that's going to look amazing. It's even got a view out into the back garden. From the kitchen, we've also got a understairs storage. If you look in here, there's loads of space in there which I can store my tools, and as well, later on I can store a load of food in there. Off the kitchen, we've also got a utility room. This is a nice sized room where I can have a washing machine, tumble dryer, and anything else I want in here. And it's got as an added bonus, we've got an extra room. This room, it's not big, but I'm definitely going to be converting this into a downstairs bathroom. So we're now outside and I'll give you a tour of the gardens. At the front we've got this patio and gravel, which is alright, but it definitely needs a lot of work to get rid of all the weeds and probably put in some new plants. This property hasn't been lived in for about 4 months, and obviously the garden has become rather overgrown. This is a good area because it's got some big trees and it's going to be really nice once we get some nice grass down. As we come along the back, we get right the way around the side of the house and we get into the back garden. As we come through, it'll be a really nice place to have a barbecue. We've obviously got a dog next door, which is really good because it'll keep the burglars away. And at the back, we've actually got access onto the road. So this will be really useful because I actually have a motorbike. And this will mean I'll be able to ride the bike up and into my back garden. And this is the back of the house. So, kitchen. And at the top is the second bedroom. So that's the first tour of this building. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you subscribe so you can watch the rest of the videos as I convert this place into my home. So it's now 9:30 and I'm calling it a day. I feel like I've done quite a lot today and I'll show you what I've done. First thing you'll probably be able to notice is the wallpaper has changed. I have stripped off the top layers of wallpaper the whole way around the living room. You can see a massive pile of it in the middle, and that's because there wasn't just one layer of wallpaper, oh no, there were 4. Started with this wallpaper at the side. There was a layer of orange wallpaper, a layer of nice flowery wallpaper, and finally a layer of pink floral wallpaper. All in all, this is going to be a huge pile, and I haven't even started at it with the steam stripper. So that's going to be a major job, but I did that today whilst I was waiting for some stuff, and I didn't have the steam stripper. Talking of that, let's go upstairs and check out the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and as you can see, there's a lot of work that's gone on and a lot of mess. I've been starting by trying to get rid of all these polystyrene tiles. They don't look very nice and they're a massive safety hazard. To start with, I was using a metal scraper like this to scrape them off, but that obviously left the paper backing behind. So then I had to get out the steam stripper. When I bought the steam stripper, it came with a nice plastic spatula, and it turns out that this is much better at getting these tiles off than the metal one. Using the steamer, I was able to strip a good half of the roof and get it completely back down to the original material. There's a lot more work in here that needs to be done, probably another, I'd guess another 2 hours of stripping just the roof, and then I can get working on the walls. If you want to stay up to date with all these videos, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a like because it really helps me out. So thank you, and see you next time for some more house renovation.